Hey, everyone! Imagine a world where humans never took the spotlight. No buzzing cities. No highways, just misty rainforest ruled by poison dart frogs. That's right, those tiny, toxic rainbow hoppers with their bright colors and deadly skin, hopping through Central and South American jungles. Sounds like a wild sci-fi croak, right? Well, grab your rain boots, because we're hopping into a what-if adventure. What if poison dart frogs evolved to become the planet's top bosses? Poison dart frogs are already the rock stars of the rainforest. These little amphibians flash their vibrant reds, blues, and yellows to warn off predators, leaping agilely across leaves with a diet of tasty insects, all while thriving in humid hideaways. Their toxic skin is nature's secret weapon, making them untouchable in their green domain. But what if these colorful champs got a major upgrade and took over Earth? In this video, we're exploring how poison dart frogs could evolve into super smart rulers, build vibrant empires with a hop, and maybe even outleap us humans at running the planet. From toxin-lit cities to a culture of croak dances and color displays, this is going to be one misty, magical ride. So, stick with us as we dive into a world ruled by the ultimate poisonous overlords. Let's get croaking. How do these rainforest gems go from leaf dwellers to Earth's big shots? So, how did these misty, rainforest-loving poison dart frogs go from leaf dwellers to Earth's big shots? Let's hop into the science well. Science with a dash of sci-fi croak to figure out why these toxic rainbow champs could evolve into the ultimate rulers of the planet. Poison dart frogs are already the superstars of the treetops. Those vibrant reds, blues, and yellows flash a warning with their toxic skin, while their agile leaps turn leaves into highways, and their social calls echo through humid hideaways with an insect-fueled diet. To rule Earth, though, they'd need a serious brain boost and a leap of evolutionary magic. Picture this: millions of years ago, Earth gets a lush makeover. Maybe rainforests spread across the globe, or a cosmic quirk wipes out bigger predators, leaving poison dart frogs as the survivors. Humans never hopped past the first vine our ancestors got outleaped, but poison dart frogs, they're thriving in their misty playground, ready to take the stage. A lucky genetic mutation supercharges their brains, turning their mate-finding smarts into full-on genius. Suddenly, they're not just hopping their asterisk, planning asterisk, inventing, maybe even hosting the first rainforest croak fest. Let's talk about their bodies, because those are the real MVPs. Those agile limbs could evolve for even nimbler jumps or delicate tool use, like crafting with leaves or resin. Their toxic skin might gain control, letting them adjust colors for communication or defense, while their leaps grow versatile for building or climbing. Their keen senses could sharpen, letting them navigate humid worlds with ease, all while keeping that colorful charm. Unlike humans, who needed fire to cook, poison dart frogs could stay raw, ruling the rainforest with minimal fuss. Their social vibe is the secret sauce. Poison dart frogs are mostly solitary, but croak and flash to connect with mates or rivals. In our story, they get chattier, evolving croaks, color signals, and scent marks into a legit language like a rainforest chatter network. Their knack for cooperative leaps could spark teamwork, sharing hunting tricks or shelter hacks. Like humans share tales. Over time, they'd form vibrant groups, linking treetop hubs with vine trails and toxin-lit paths. Why poison dart frogs? They've got the agility, the toxicity, and the smarts to seize their moment. A misty green Earth would be their stage, and they'd hop right into the starring role. Next up, we'll explore what their colorful empire looks like. Think toxin-lit cities, croak dances, and a whole lot of vibrant flair. Stay tuned, this poison dart frog takeover is just getting hoppin'. We've just hopped into how poison dart frogs could evolve into Earth's wildest masterminds, with supercharged brains, agile leaps, and a knack for ruling the misty rainforest in their vibrant playground. But what happens when these toxic rainbow hoppers start building their own empire? Hang on to your leaves, because we're croaking into the colorful, humid world of a poison dart frog-run planet. Spoiler, it's like a rainforest party with extra hops, colors, and toxic flair. Picture a poison dart frog city sprawling across the treetops, where leaf-woven shelters and resin-crafted platforms gleam under the moonlight, linked by glowing vine bridges and bioluminescent water pools. This isn't some gray jungle, oh no. The hubs are patched together with foliage, vines, and sticky resin, with cozy nests tucked into branches for tadpoles to rest. Poison dart frogs leap across platforms, their vibrant skin flashing reds, blues, and yellows as they haul insects. Some practicing jumps, others croaking to show off. It's a bustling, misty metropolis that's equal parts dazzling and dangerous. Like a sci-fi rainforest kingdom under the stars. Let's talk society. Because these frogs keep it cooperative yet quirky. They're naturally social during breeding, led by the most vibrantly toxic frogs with the brightest colors. Decisions happen on leaf platforms under moonlit councils, where poison dart frogs croak and flash color signals, their agile bodies swaying like living rainbows in a lively debate. It's all about harmony and no chaos, just synchronized hops. With maybe a toxin salute to seal a good plan, their group spirit means every frog has a role. From scouting food to guarding the best water pools. Their tech is pure rainforest ingenuity. Forget steel factories. Poison dart frogs craft tools from leaves, vines, and resin, like nets for catching insects or scoops for gathering dew with toxin barriers. Their agile limbs help them build bioluminescent water pools from polished leaves, keeping their treetop homes hydrated in the humidity. Picture a frog engineer. Its colorful skin pulsing, tweaking a vine irrigation system to nourish their insect gardens. They harness the night's glow and rainforest moisture for energy, keeping their leaf hubs thriving without harming the land. It's ecotech so clever, it makes our cities look like dull shadows. Culture. These frogs are the artists of the canopy. Their art is all about color. Think color pattern leaf designs or croak dances that ripple through the air. Festivals are aglow, with poison dart frogs performing synchronized leaps on leaf stages, their toxic skin catching the moonlight like a living light show. Picture a midnight ritual where clans gather, croaking in harmony as they celebrate a big insect haul. Their colors swaying like a rhythmic chant. Their language evolved from croaks, color signals, and scent marks is like a rainforest melody, saying everything from food here to time to hop. It's a culture of vibrant pride where every frog feels part of a colorful family, bonded by their love of the night. As they spread across Earth's humid landscapes, their cities connect through vine trails and toxin-lit paths like a glowing network linking rainforest hubs from the Americas to new jungles. It's a world of agility, mystery, and rainforest charm, built on the poison dart frog's knack for thriving in the wild. But can they keep this colorful empire hopping? Next, we'll dive into the challenges they'd face, from predators to their own toxin needs. Stay with us. This poison dart frog saga is about to get wilder than a rainforest leap. We've just croaked into the colorful, human world of poison dart frog civilization, leaf-woven treetop cities, vibrant festivals, and tech that's all about bioluminescent swagger. But ruling Earth isn't all smooth hops, even for these toxic, rainforest-loving champs. So, what challenges could dim the glow of their colorful empire? Let's dive into the wild, leap-filled obstacles our poison dart frog pals might face to keep their rainforest utopia thriving. First off, the environment is a tricky vine to swing on. Poison dart frogs are the kings of the treetops, thriving in humid rainforest with their agile leaps and vibrant toxicity. But Earth's not one big jungle. Try ruling scorching deserts, icy tundras, or dry plains with no moisture to soak in. Expanding beyond their misty domain means adapting to new terrains, but drought, deforestation, or floods could wilt their leaf shelters. Picture a clan racing to reinforce a vine wall as a storm drenches the canopy, their colorful skin flashing. In the rain, they need to get super crafty, maybe rigging resin traps or toxin-lit trails to scout new water sources to keep their cities shining. Then there's the predator problem. Poison dart frogs are small, about an inch or two, but evolved snakes or human remnants could see them as a tasty challenge. Toxicity or not, imagine a tense leap off a squad of poison dart frogs wielding resin-tipped spears, croaking fiercely as they fend off a snake coil in a misty clearing, their vibrant bodies flashing like tiny beacons. Their agility and toxins could shine, maybe setting up poison barriers to outmaneuver foes. But a sly predator could overwhelm even the brightest hopper. Venturing into wilder lands might bring nastier threats, like evolved birds swooping down on their tadpoles. Biology's another hurdle. Poison dart frogs are moisture lovers, needing damp air and a steady diet of insects to fuel their toxins. Feeding a sprawling empire is tough, and overeating insects could strip their rainforest bare, like humans overfish their oceans. Their reproduction 20 to 40 eggs per clutch helps, but raising a big population takes time in human nest. Picture a frog leader, its skin pulsating, stressing over a shrinking dew pool while tadpoles cling nearby. Even with sharper brains, balancing food and growth would be a hopping puzzle, requiring clever insect roots or resin-stored water to keep clans thriving. Can they outleap these challenges? Their agility and toxicity say they've got a shot, but it's a wild rainforest dash. Next, we'll compare their misty world to ours and ask, could these colorful champs outhop humans at Rooney? Earth, stay with us. This poison dart frog saga is getting wilder than a rainforest storm. We've just leaped through the wild challenges. Our poison dart frog champs would face stormy rainforest, sneaky predators, and their toxin-loving ways threatening their leaf-woven empire. But how does their misty, colorful worlds stack up against human civilization? Could these vibrant hoppers really outleap us at running Earth? Let's wrap up this toxic saga with a deep dive into what their reign teaches us, plus a big, croaking call to action to keep the adventure hopping. Let's break it down. Humans built incredible Marvel space stations orbiting the stars, towering skyscrapers, apps for ordering pizza at midnight, but we also scarred the planet with pollution, deforestation, and overfished oceans. Poison dart frogs, though. Their treetop settlements, crafted from leaves and glowing with bioluminescent pools, are pure rainforest magic, thriving on insects without leaving a trace of waste. Their cooperative spirit could dodge our global messes, settling disputes with croak councils or a flash of color, not wars. Picture a frog leader, its vibrant skin pulsing like a living jewel, calming a turf spat with a soft croak that's leadership with a hop. But here's the catch, their rainforest lifestyle ties them down. Humans conquered deserts, mountains, and seas with diverse tech and teamwork, while poison dart frogs might stay bound to humid jungles, missing a worldwide empire. Their leaf and resin tech is ingenious, but might not match our leaps, like inventing rockets or streaming shows. Still, their world is a total game changer. Poison dart frogs' vibrant toxicity and agile leaps show us how to thrive in harmony with nature, turning misty canopies into kingdoms without breaking a branch. Their insect diet hunting with precision like a rainforest feast teaches us to live lightly, using what's around without draining the land. Unlike us, they'd probably never clog their jungles with plastic or overharvest their prey to extinction. Their cooperative yet independent vibe is a masterclass in balance. Each frog guards its space, but croaks together when it counts, like a community that knows when to hop and when to shine. Their colorful resilience, leaping through storms with a toxic glow, inspires us to roll with setbacks and keep the spirit flowing. Like a frog landing a perfect jump after a rainy night. It's a wake-up call to cherish our own wild rainforest with a bit more of their amphibian wisdom, protecting the misty trails they call home and ensuring those vibrant hubs stay open for their hops and our hope. So, what's the big takeaway? This poison dart frog utopia isn't just a croaking thought experiment, it's a mirror for us. These rainforest superstars already rule with color. Imagine what they do with a brain boost. Saving their real-world jungle habitats means a healthier planet for everyone, keeping those misty treetops alive for their leaps in our dreams. Their reign could remind us to tread lightly, respect nature's rhythms, and maybe even find beauty in the brightest, most toxic corners of life. Could they out-top humans at running Earth? Their adaptability and vibrancy say they might just take the lead, and that's worth a big, colorful cheer. That's a wrap on our poison dart frog saga. What do you think? Would their leaf-woven world outshine our concrete chaos? Could their toxic genius save the planet? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. We're excited to hear your croaks. If you love this misty, hop-packed adventure, smash that like button to show some love. It keeps our channel leaping. Share this video with your crew who'd geek out over a poison dart frog ruled world. And hit subscribe with the bell to catch our next epic what if. Check out our other videos on alien empires, robot takeovers, or whatever crazy scenario we dream up next. From rainforest tales to cosmic quest, we've got it all. Thanks for hopping with us. You make these adventures awesome. Keep croaking, stay vibrant, and we'll see you in the next video.